I'm going to give you guys an update about the indictment for Sam Bankman-Fried. He was arrested yesterday in the Bahamas. He is still in the Bahamas, and the judge just denied him bail. He's going to be in the Bahamas until February. The indictment was unsealed today, and there are 8 counts that are brought against him. I'm going to read you all 8 counts. Number 8 is the most interesting. Number 1, conspiracy to commit wire fraud on customers. Number 2, wire fraud on customers. Number 3, conspiracy to commit wire fraud on lenders. Number 4, wire fraud on lenders. Number 5, conspiracy to commit commodities fraud. Number 6, conspiracy to commit securities fraud. Number 7, conspiracy to commit money laundering. And number 8, conspiracy to defraud the United States and violate the campaign finance laws. He basically donated more than $25,000 to candidates within a calendar year, probably through the super PAC that his mother owns.